Outside color, vignette 1. First thing we want to do is add mountains for our outside color. This is going to be our inside color. It's already been determined. This kind of light blue color. So now I'll bring in the mountains for not only their color, but their texture. Make sure to hold the Alt key when you drag over. Close out the original mountain image. So now I'll name this new layer. Instead of layer 1, we're going to call it outside color. I'll drag this layer to the top of the layer palette. And then I need to align these mountains with the mountains that are filling my model. And the trick to do that is I'm just going to change this to so many choices. How about overlay? Kind of do it in overlay. That's the match. So once you get it matched up, change it. Make sure to change it back to normal again. Then we're going to blur these new mountains for our outside vignette. And to do that, I'll go up to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. So that's 50. You can play with it. Maybe make it a little bit more. If you go too much, then it just turns into, well, you won't be able to see anything. I think I'll stick it around 50%.